what's been showing up is that people can't notice their life. They're not noticing their lives. So I wanted to write something that really responded to these conversations and responded to a way that I was listening with the intent to understand.
I know what it's like, having gone through so many years in my own lifetime of feeling like life was blasting by, I was just getting by, overwhelmed, just totally caught up and trapped in this non-stop doing cycle. I literally felt like days and weeks and months would just blast by and I hadn't noticed any of it.
Well, people are drowning in their own story. This is what's coming clear, is that there's this weight of their own story that's holding them down from really seeing the light. They can't see, they can't savor, they can't notice the miracle of their lives. It's because they're so busy. They've been so busy and inundated with chasing, with climbing, with pushing. They've forgotten what truly matters. And that's the central theme around this life that I didn't notice.
Of course, we've been conditioned to get on that path, get on that hamster wheel, and be constantly chasing and achieving and things like that. But what we're noticing in our world is that way of being is not serving us. It may serve you for a while, but you're numbed out to life. You're numbed out to your one precious life.
Life is meant to be lived, and it's meant to be explored with curiosity and wonder. Through this chasing and through pursuing things that really don't matter, I called it the noise of the world, the unwanted sound of the world, we start to lose sight of who we really are, who we are as individuals and who we are as collective human beings. And that's another reason for this type of transformational work that's showing up in the world, is helping bring people back to what matters, to themes like remembering why we're really here, to why, asking the question, why am I really here, with the intention to ignite that soul purpose. And we live in a world that it's very easy to get off track. It's very easy to get derailed from the path that you're meant to be on. Who are we really? What is that real authentic self? Most of us just don't know who we are anymore. It's about letting go of this energy that you've been carrying. And I asked, hey, what's been showing up in your life that has stopped you from really noticing and savoring your life, tasting it, feeling it? And when you get to that end, don't you want to have a clear spirit? Don't you think that that's going to just carry something further